Hi everyone, welcome to Vedatrix. Today's topic is what is lean, a new way to think. जब मैं बोलता हूँ lean तो दिमाग में क्या आता है? Lean body, something like this? Of course, it is true. But lean body करते वक्त what we think? We think about I want to cut down this extra fat. I want to cut down the extra sugar, the extra oil, and sometimes we say the late night snacks too. Some people also say this I want to cut down extra people in my life because it's causing mental health problems. And just a joke, some people also call to cut down some relatives at the wedding. But jokes apart, why do we do this? हम क्यों ऐसा करते हैं? Because we know these things don't add value. मुझे पता है कि मैं ज़्यादा शुगर खाऊंगा, ज़्यादा ऑयल खाऊंगा तो मेरी बॉडी लीन नहीं होने वाली. सो व्हाट इज़ लीन? लीन इज़ ऑल अबाउट कटिंग डाउन द एक्स्ट्रा. एंड दैट एक्स्ट्रा इन लीन इज़ कॉल्ड वेस्ट. सोचो ज़रा कि आप कितना एक्स्ट्रा अपनी लाइफ में कर रहे हो. सो व्हाट इज़ लीन? Lean is all about cutting down the extra, which is the waste, which is not adding the value, and continuously improving day after day. That's lean for you. So you're already applying lean in your life by choosing healthier habits, not choosing unnecessary foods, and so on and so forth. Then the question comes into play, why not lean is applied in the business too? So that's where we come into play. I, as a consultant, will help you to understand what is lean, how lean thinking works, and what different tools of lean are there in the market. So to begin with and end the session over here, I'll just keep it very simple. Lean is reducing the waste, which is called the Muda in Japanese, and continuous improvement, which is called Kaizen. So that's it for this video. See you next time. Bye bye.